Radioactive waste is currently stored above ground in stores at Sellafield and a number of other sites, but it's not a long-term solution, particularly as some high-level waste can remain dangerous for tens of thousands of years. The government believes the answer could be an underground facility in Cumbria. Above the surface, the proposed facility would be about half a mile square, but hundreds of metres below it would be much bigger. Somewhere between 2.5 square miles, that's about the size of a small town, to 9 square miles. West Cumbria already relies heavily on the nuclear industry for jobs. Sellafield employs thousands of people in the county. But the idea of storing waste here is extremely controversial. There are concerns about safety and the potential impact on tourism, another important part of this area's economy. A final decision is still years away, but today's vote by 3 different councils in Cumbria will decide whether the proposal moves to the next stage of discussions and investigations. This is the only area still considering such a facility, but even if a site was eventually approved, it would be decades before it was completed. Chris Buckler, BBC News.